Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're actually going to look at some of those 5 cryptocurrency coins that are positioned to explode in 2026. So if this is what you're actually looking for, stick to this video from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video, you'll be able to understand, or you'll be able to know those particular cryptocurrency coin, those 5 cryptocurrency coin that are positioned to explode in this 2026. So the moment you see this video, all you just need to do is to make your field research and dive into the trade, invest but not as much as you can afford to lose. Okay, so that by the end of the trade, you'll be able to cash out something massively. So all you just need to do, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like these videos, share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that. So the first one we're going to look at is Gaib. This Gaib was launched far past ago. It wasn't too long. Gaib is the world's first economic layer for AI infrastructure, converting real-world AI assets such as GPU, robotics, and also AI energy systems. You can look at its market caps. It has a very low market cap, which is just over 5 million USD. It's just over 5 million. This is it. The market cap is low, so it will stand to make a high pump. It has also a circulating supply. The circulating supply is also low. It's just 204. It isn't much. So this is the kind of coin you should be investing on. A coin that has a low market cap, though it can be risky sometimes, but it will be the perfect coin for you to invest on because its pumping will be mad. So look at it carefully. Let's look at its chart as well. And look at the chart. It's on the chart. And see when actually this particular coin was launched. Now look at here. This particular coin was launched November 2025. That's last year. Okay, it was November 20th around 1 p.m. This coin was launched. This coin opened with this. It took a low of 0.1 here. It took a high of 0.2, which is the high it has ever been, which is here. You can look at it. This is the high it has ever been. And this is the low it has ever been, is 0.1. That was then. Then it went high at this. It opened at 0.16. So it started very good, but unfortunately, it kept declining until dead. You can see how it has been. So it's not been long yet. It's still a crypto baby in the market. So all you just need to do is to watch it carefully. Look at the process of the coin. Go to its depth. Check the other books and see what goes in and out. You can also go to the data to see the volume of the investors. You can see the investors are currently more than the sellers. Okay, these are the people that are coming in, and these are also the people that are actually going out of the trade. You can see here is greater than this for now. So investing in this particular coin will be something reasonable for you. But the advice is that do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. But if you really want to make a huge profit, then invest huge. Right? So that is it for the guide. So the second coin I want you to look at is what we call the SAT. You can see the SAT. SAT actually has been down for like a very long time now. And I think this is the time for SAT to begin its real movement. Okay, this is the time for SAT to begin its real movement. So what are you waiting for? We all know what is SAT. SAT is another Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin baby because it was from the same source, which is Satoshi. Look at it carefully and see what you stand to make in the nearest time. All right, so Looking at the depth of the chart, looking at the investors, you can see the order book is reasonable. It's fine, like right now. So what are you waiting for? And the level of the people trading this are also increasing. Looking at the data as well, the numbers of the investors also are almost equivalent with the numbers of the sellers. You can see. All right. So just look at this carefully and make your own investment rationally. Another coin again I will be looking at is paper coin. I'm always fan of this coin. You can see it's actually already even doing well. It fell below for a very long time now. This meme coin is a very old coin in the crypto market. It kept going ups and down. But for the past few days, it has been down. And I think this is the time for it to go up. All you just need to do is to invest wisely. I've mentioned this coin in the past. A lot of people are already taking profit from this. But I urge you to be patient. Stay closely, watch closely, and see, because a lot of profit will yield out from this place by God's willing. Okay, I think I've mentioned three, right? I've mentioned three. So the next one I want you to look at is rat. I've heard about rat, and rat is no longer a baby as well. Rat has been there for a very long time, and a lot of people have been catching out from it. But the only stuff is that it has been down for like a while. So investing on rat like right now will give you something reasonable. So what are you waiting for? Dive into it for a reasonable profit. Okay. One more thing you need to look at is SOO. Okay, SOO and also ETH. You cannot do without this. Those ones are fathers of the market. Okay, you can see the ETH is already as well doing well. Okay, you can see the BTC as well, but the five coin I promised to mention have been mentioned. All you just need to do is to watch closely and as well watch carefully and see what you can dive in order for you to what to make a rational profit. So what are you waiting for? Dive into it and start making fun for yourself. This is another season of irrational movement. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this very video. I will stop here for today. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.